We are 1 week into this remodel. I am now all alone. That's okay though, now I can sand some of these walls and prime them, maybe even paint them while no one's around, no kids, nothing like that, so the dust and the fumes just doesn't get inhaled. We are going to start with the guest room here. The previous owners literally left us with a lifetime supply of sheets and linens, so I have enough drop cloths to do 10 of these houses. Look at this wood in the ceiling. Pretty cool. It's just seeping out. I know it seems tedious, but after you sand the walls and after you wipe them down, you want a brand new cloth or a very clean cloth and wipe it down a second time. It's all about the prep work with this kind of thing. If you do not do the right prep work for this kind of paneling, I can already feel dust. I can still feel a little bit of dust here. The paint, no matter what kind of bonding primer you use, which I'm using really good bonding primer by Valspar. It's $100 for a 5-gallon thing. It's gonna chip, so do your prep work. Make sure you do it right the first time so you don't regret it later. All right, I gave it a second wipe. Look how dirty this rag got. Again, 2 wipe downs. Maybe even a third in the spots that might get touched the most, like around the light switches and the outlets. Definitely not going to do the ones up high where nobody will ever touch it. I think we're good now though. Pretty clean still. And you'll have to excuse my shadow. I have 1 lamp in this room. I may hook up a second because we're losing daylight through these windows. I'm on the mountain, but I'm on the east side of the mountain. So when the sun sets in the west, most of the mountain blocks a lot of the sun, so we get dark at like 4 o'clock. I'm going with all white throughout this house because it'll really contrast well with these ceilings. And that's it, so let's go.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
The upstairs bedrooms are now finished for the most part. I hit it with 2 coats of primer and then 1 coat of the Greek vanilla paint. I'm calling it quits for tonight, but I have help coming soon. Good night. Okay, here I have a section where we painted 1 coat without sanding and cleaning. See the scratch? Here is the spot where we sanded, cleaned, and painted 2 coats of primer. No scratches. This doesn't even have the last 1 or 2 coats of latex paint. So what's blue but smells like red paint? Blue paint. So this could be done really at any step of the way, and it is kind of optional. I've skipped on this before, but I'm caulking the seams in between each one of these panels, so that way it just looks like one seamless fluid wall. These seams and defects like holes in the walls are really easy to see after you get your first coat of primer on there. So I would do it right after that and then go ahead and paint it with your finishing coat on top of that caulking. It looks like one fluid wall right here, but then if you go up here where I haven't caulked, you can see the seam right there. Did you hear about the dead artist? Too many strokes. Hey, so let me know your thoughts on this cabin as we get closer to finishing here. Would you stay here? What would you like to see? Drop a comment down below. We are aiming to have this place listed on Airbnb in early February. And again, it's on Beach Mountain, less than a mile away from the slopes. All right, back to work. So I've taken off the stair handrail here. It was painted this really ugly tannish color. So I'm taking it off and I'm gonna sand it down and stain it in Early American color by Minwax to match some of the other accents we're gonna be doing around here. So expect that here in a second. You can see where I've taken it off here. This handrail will just be temporary as I plan on building a really nice thick handrail made out of wood stained the same Early American color. But I'm gonna add a LED strip on the bottom that'll shine light down towards the stairs, and it'll be able to be turned on with just the flick of the switch. Flick of the switch. I found my little project for the rest of the night while I wind down with some Netflix over here. Here's my couch. Since we put our other couch outside in the snow, they said they were gonna pick them up, and it's been like 3 weeks. I'm super embarrassed. Hopefully they come and get them soon. The city, that is. But today we're gonna be painting, or tonight, we're gonna be painting this handrail here. It's really disgusting. Let me zoom in on this in a second, but I'm gonna grab a beer too. The cabin flip is coming together nicely and it's starting to feel really updated. I think I'll be doing some of the recessed lights and more downstairs work coming up. Thank you so much for watching this and giving this video a thumbs up because I know you did. Subscribe down below so you can catch the rest of the vids coming up. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one.